welcome back to another Moon Boots tutorial video. My name is Guy. I'm a co-founder here at Moon Boots, and I'll be your tour guide today. So let's get started. Today I want to talk to you guys about what we call extensibility. And one of the ways that we achieve that in the platform is with the left bar over here. So when you just get started in your platform, you'll notice it's a little empty and just has the default links, but you'll also notice this little plus button. Go ahead and click that. When you click it, you'll be granted this new menu that allows you to title your link, add the URL that you'd like to share with everyone, and then choose an icon that best represents what you're trying to share. So let's say I wanted to add my Instagram. I would go grab the Instagram link that I'd like to host, and then I could choose, I would choose Instagram, and I would click save. And just as easy as that, I now have my Instagram account listed on my platform forever. What this does is allows you to gather all of the other platforms and hard work that you've done across the internet and consolidate all of your efforts into your Moon Boots platform. This makes hunting around for everything and trying to gather audiences from every other place on the internet a lot simpler and consolidate all your efforts into this one platform. So yeah, we really hope you love this feature, and yeah, I can't wait to see what you guys do with it. Real quick before we go, let's say you wanted to remove one of your links here. You would just go to Operations, Settings, Theme, and you would head to Custom Links. Here, you can actually continue adding more or delete or edit the one you already have. So let's say I wanted to change this up, and maybe I wanted a different icon to represent my Instagram account. And you can see now that there is a famous mouse representing my Instagram link. And it's really that easy. Let's go ahead and delete it. Head to the discussion. And now you see I'm starting fresh again. And that's really it. Go ahead and try it out for yourself and let us know what you think about the feature. We will see you on the next tutorial. Thanks for joining me. Goodbye.